What Mzansi? It's been a long time nganiboni. It's been a long time. It's been 100 years nginikhumbule ngiyafa. Mzansi, this is the only show ekwazi ukunika ama results. Hayi kusasa, hayi next week, namhlanje. As long as amaphepha ahlezi kule sandla and aphelele. Iwani into esikwazi ukuyenza thina namatswayi ukuthi siyithome siyifethe asambeni ofisini manje uyofaka iblack sibone ukuthi namhlanje sithoma kabani and siyifetha kanjani mawahlezi and aphelele sizophana.
Okay.
Lagay.
Kita.
Gusto lang kakinda Mr. X, ano ma?
Kinakarabo.
Hama?
Karabo musala.
Musala?
Eh.
Ikaw chusa kayo yung karabo?
Dati X, nagkubong tusa because of narekupile mo to arrejete gate ka 2014. And then abara charge 10,000. So ramufa 6,000 up front. Abara oreka material and then as I can say for the balance. So I fihla ka thola gate I rekili ayentseng asiona e re kupileng and then aba o tla rekisa a fe cheleta rona to find out last year December o tsamaile a lo rekisa gate a le kenyetsa someone so ha re mutla ka chelete like as mutholo e kemsetso go patala every week mutho taweng like I want to logo like utlo patala chelete eo so ene gate kontlung e aba like e tshwetse le bana or but e ka ba wela or e wele koloi ya kontlung
so beside gore le molata le motshola tawe le zamile enge
re ile ko court and then aba promise gore o tla patala
so le ene o ile ko court
yes
a fitla ko court reng
o tshila go tla patala but ha ona way forward I bontshang ba tsena se ba re fa a letter of executive and then like ke motho sa bontseng lo bontsha gore o tshilo go gore o tla a tlore maybe ha patetse at least senyane nyana but as motho o etsang anything ha bontshe lo like o batla gore fa cheleta rona
so gating ne lo ka e fellet
ne le netse gate tla charge 10,000 including the material so re mfile 6,000 as motho like o batlang letsa because of we say like how for 6,000 I'm feel 4,000 cash for 2,000 ka mo romella ka phone abare I had to we Kenya fela tavele for the balance
so it's been how many years
2 years no because of we feel ka 2014 ka September
2014 or 2024
I mean 2024 as kids yes at 2024
so yena re tlo mothola kae
o teng o sebelletsa ko jarateng ya bona
Ute. On tshwaretseng.
Mo ke dipampiri tse re tsotseng ko court.
So le mo save le mo file wane so.
O di totse ka ofela.
Okay, na outsweri le tse ke tsa hao. Ora ke tlo founela hene. So wena o ne ready. So ku go re mama ba teng.
Mama teng but di bophelo bo sharp.
So wena o tlo gona lo la fitla kwa.
That means because of advantage to chelete like re hlakanetso like o banele safety ta rona yo go jarateng because of motho ka pusha gate e ikwela ex
so re fitla a re ne chelete a ke nae re tlo tsa jwa
re nka se ana sona because of 22 start service ke tsa hae le gate e ana le yona because of advantage.
So you know the gate?
Yes, and right in like little tips I think it's a quality.
Gate high. So iphala yela nelinya ka already.
Ayentseng iphala ya hae iphala ayentseng for rona.
Oh. Yes. Alright, sharp. Kutlo fonela ne?
Welcome back to the channel, family. And today's story is honestly one of the most extreme cases of delayed accountability we've covered on this channel. Because we're not talking about a repair that dragged on for a few months or even a few years. We're talking about a gate that was ordered all the way back in 2014. And to this day, that gate was never delivered. Let that number really sink in for a moment, family, because that means this lady has been waiting for something she paid for since before some of our younger viewers even started high school. So here's what happened. Back in 2014, this lady approaches a guy to build her a gate, agreeing on a price of 10,000 Rand. And like most fair transactions, she pays 6,000 Rand up front as a deposit.
Sani.
Okay.
Yeah, Kitolwana, come Sani.
Nna Kitolwana, I'm ready.
Okay, sharp. It was
Hello.
sharp.
Today, I go not clever when you let Chaltam work.
Which one?
I'm 2 years to do Tika Chaltam work. Or Rekis Alligator Chaltam work. Today, I go not clever when. Clever Girwen. To Pachalatam work. I check it. Do loud tower every time, but I come pata 6,000 euros.
Pussy money out.
Where I pose her. Kalata you. I phone Bua. We let you call you. How na nix so you? Phone nix. I phone gunin some niggas cut funny mali. I couldn't funny mali. I'm sad. Funny mali.
Manje bese usistera na ndoya ngomnika ngekhe.
Sister bekade asayifoni phone.
Wona bongeze njalo wena ubuye.
Moboza the reason why you sabat the gate. Ungile chelete wa tsa gate re sa batling wa go o tla rekisa we rekisitse ko lens but you never came to us go fetch shelter rona. Tlala ke rona wena clever ke. Re bontsha go clever ka je re fetch shelter rona. Bontsha go clever ke go clever wena. O clever. O clever ke. Re bontsha bo clever ke.
Manje namhlanje nemali bangaphupheketi ngihamba nalo. Manje unika ini umamisa ini sister angikhiphela amaphepha.
I'm telling the court what was nigga 2,000 every month. She never did.
Why?
You clever ngithi uyaziwa ngapha epotini uyaphuza bayamazi ukuthi maka nemali uyabathengela.
The paper lady. Awugeleze la fungitshela lithini. Lithini phezulu. Lithini phezulu. Ya, manje singene nje umamise into ebonakalayo. Imali mayingako. Kumele ngimambele ama-tools wakho osebenza ngawo.
Ungabamba le.
Wangafuni ngama-tools.
Awulende iskill.
And asifuna nalesipoko sakhona ngoba igate hamba nesipoko.
Manje awungitshele why namhlanje kumele ukuthi kube lula manje ukuthi wena manje uthi mina ngabamba leli gate.
Ile khaya
La mara manje sokhuluma ngevoice emnandi manje uyangisuthoka uyini uyangishela
ayiyo uyizile
manje why ufuna usibambisa leli thina lena silifuni leli lirusile leli uyalibona mose lirusile sister
makasipha ama-tools sirusile usile lo
no makasibambisa igate nama-tools
yes injalo
ufuna ukuthini wena
mewuhlala la mebangapha la ma-tools asingeneni 2 years zonke ahlale ne-6,000 yethu
shisori mani khokho mani kuyanyiwa manje kanti wona le gate leli mali
Lelam. Good-10.
About 10.
makhipha ama-tools
Apha amathuli. Ngoba ngithi ngiyabheka le or sister khona into yakhathayo la.
ayikho into betha le mali yethu kumele ndiyigrabhe nje kuphela la ubhuti wami makazophakamisela isandla uzoboshwa then imali yethu singayitholi lokhu si-avoida leyo nto
Manje wena uthini manje usister mangakhuluma kabuhlungu ngaso.
Today, I go not clever when you kill Chaltam work.
Which one?
I'm 2 years to do Tika Chaltam work. Or Rekis Alligator Chaltam work. I phone him.
Langa lakho namhlanje. Sifuna lenyu.
Bua. We let you call you. How na nix so
yenze. Uyakhuluma, yabo.
Akufuni nix. Akufuni kunini simnika isikhathi funa imali.
Thina lela silifuni le.
Trusting that the remaining balance would be settled once the work was completed and the gate was ready for installation. This is completely standard practice. A deposit shows good faith on the buyer's side, while the remaining balance protects the seller, ensuring they get paid once the job is properly finished. But instead of a completed gate, what follows is over a decade, more than 10 years, of absolutely nothing. No gate, no updates, no resolution, just silence and unfulfilled promises stretching across more than a decade of this woman's life. Family, we have to really understand the weight of that, because 6,000 Rand may not sound like an overwhelming amount today, but this was money paid in 2014, meaning the value, the trust, and the sheer amount of patience invested into waiting for this gate cannot...
Makasipha amathusi urusile usile lo.
No, makasibambisa igate namathusi.
Yes, injalo.
Ufuna ukuthini wena?
Asingene ngapha amathusi mewuhlala la mebangapha la mathusi. Asingeneni. 2 years yonke ahlale le 6,000 yethu.
Sorry man Koko man, ngiyanyiwa manje.
Uthulile akakhuluma next lapho bamami. Kumnandi kuyi. Thina igate yaswela. Makasipha amathusi makawakhiphi.
Ushisoni lo. Boshisa ikhopha.
Makhipha amathusi.
Apha amathuli. Ngoba ngithi ngiyabheka le original khona into ekhahlayo la.
Ayikho into betha le mali yethu. Mele ndiyigrabhe nje kuphela la. Ayikho into.
Mara awusiyabona kanti why kanti kahle manje udlala ukuthi wena manje ngumashaya over usister mara.
Uthatha advantage ngoba endlini akunababa. Ubhuti wami makazophakamisela isandla uzoboshwa then imali yethu singayitholi. Lokhu si-avoida leyo nto.
Manje wena uthini manje usister mangakhuluma kabuhlungu ngaso?
Khona manje ngijikile mina ngiyemsebenzi ngenxa yakhe.
Ya mara wayengakuphathi kahle namhlanje mina mase ngila. Kanti ola longo bokwenzakalana. Ola lo. Apha amathulusi.
Ngitsadi tools. Akatela mapapadi ke tsetso tla ta tšhelete mmaka. Ngitsadi tools. Dintse. Asidi tools ntotseo. Asidi tools. Extension. Asa tlo tsa extension na extension kontlung. Tlo tsa ka ntho wena. Asa tlo tsa ntho we can tsa ka eng we can tsa ka eng.
Manje wona why the situation uyekela ukuthi ize ifikelana man. That's my question. Awubukelanga le X3 kunjalo ucima ndidenge yakho le. Khona manje okay that usister manje una how many years? Akana gate.
Uyayazi ukuthi yawo
ngeke ngilithathile ngalisa kuphi ku.
Uyazi akana namahloni sedinayo.
Manje thina sizoyiprove kanjani lento eyishona?
Iphi imali bamnike yona egate uyifakile ngithi lapha ayifake khona iphi imali yakhona bamnikeze encane iphi
le mali yangiphile ngigedelele ngayo ukuthi ngihambisa akwazi ukuzongaya imali
ayikho le nto le
manje
ayikho
alright ke manje la iminyaka iyagijima
uyayazi gate akithi ukuthi yawe nayi uyayazi ukuthi yawe uyayazi kahle
oyilena ne
uyayazi ukuthi yawe igate asendeswa simcela ukuthi asenzele igate
ya mara le yakhe leyana ngathi is much better
ubona kanjani ingcono but kwamela sinikeze nama tools usijwayela kabi
uthi ama tools na manje right masibamba le gate sibamba nama tools le mali uzoyiletha ne
ola long wayangayiceli ola long wayangayiceli ufuna ukuthi umuntu ayenze action ecourt badelelile wayangaba ushilo wathi uzoba every month wayangasinika
ungamshaya uthama ungamshaya uthama usakhuluma ya ukasukile ngiyambona ya ukwatile vele manje wona awuthi yami la iminyaka iyaphela iyahamba so lo unokhona ulukubhizi ukhamisile uyamshaya shaya ubhizi nemboni
uyaphuza vele uyaphuza uyaziwa uye every Friday uyazi wena ukuthi usesportini
angani ngomkhapha akakathole imali
for 2 years
manje utshona masibamba le gate nalama thulusi iphiro engakanani khuluma nto uzwakala ayicine la kibro yona kanti yini la or ngibucofa ngibugaya usister
Hayi ngizokhuluma naye.
Sikhuluma no-ex manje. Uhlulekile ukukhuluma nathi u-ex ange uzokhuluma no-ex.
Yazi mangikubheka manje yazi ngathi ngakududula ngenye into mara no yazini okuyikho uthi kule bheke kunani chitha la sibone. Nebhayisikili nalo likhawathekile nalo libhanjwa namavili.
Bukanti. Akunathools le extension nayo endlini angifuni lento le mina. Sinayo endlini.
Okay, so uthi sizoba umshini negate.
Nesipoko sakhona siyaphuma.
Manje
Not simply be measured by the number alone. This is such an important lesson in recognizing patterns of exploitation that stretch out over extremely long periods, because sometimes dishonest individuals rely on time itself as a form of protection, believing that if enough years pass, the victim will simply give up, forget, or assume there's no point in pursuing the matter any further. And unfortunately, this tactic works far too often, because pursuing justice over something from over a decade ago can feel exhausting, almost pointless, especially without support or a clear path toward accountability. But finally, after all these years, Mr. X steps in, and this is where the story shifts from a decade of silence into real, immediate action. When the team locates this man, they discover something very telling.
awuthamuthi sikunika isikhathi singakanani.
Cela 2 months.
So thina simele sibambe le gate for 2 months.
Then ngizenza iplan.
Right 2 months mayifika 2 months wona iplan awukayeli senze njani?
Ngizenza ukuthi before.
Uphethe nomgongo, Udlale
Umgongo ex le ubiza umgongo maybe ayikhali. Jo.
Uthi ukuthi ayiko.
Uyayibona ukuthi ayikhali.
Efa. Ish. Yeah, khuluma ndoda.
Cela 2 months.
2 months. Sister, uthi 2 months. Sibambe lezi zinto after 2 months mangazanga uthi siphinde futhi sibuye sizocofezeni.
Ngicela enze kanjalo because of sicasukile manje, sicasukile. And then lento lezazo wesilethi 6000 akamama esikhiphile.
Huh? Kanti wona le gate le mali.
Le lam. Good time.
About 10. Mara ngoba selirusile.
Dala alifakile.
Mama le.
Dala alifakile.
Kwamanje ngihamba namabosi.
Ngeke.
So mina manje ngibamba lo mshini ngibamba nale gate. Wona after 2 months uzoletha le nyuku ucovele izinto. Wangasilethi le inyuku le ngiyaspina vie. Uyangizwa ndoda ukuthi ngithini? Awuvume ngikuzwe uyangizwa ndoda.
Khulumela phansi manje.
Nami ngibongele manje yazi.
Yadelela.
Yakuzwa yazile.
Uthathile 6000 nethu mahlangana nathi ukhuluma ngokudelela khona manje usoft.
Ngiyakuzwa thokozani makhosi. Angisuku makhosi mina awuthi mongibheke kahle. Ngo-X kaya 1. With 2 emoja love. Phuma nalo mshini wakho sivayo.
Ena akhipha le ngifuna linalento le. Isiporo sakhona asikhiphe yena. Kike usinthe usukundoda o rengi ukhona ubuwa no. Ukhona ubuwa.
Uringa buwa.
Isiporo senza la kwamela asikhiphe.
Uringa buwa. Uringa.
Wayekwamela thina sisebenza kanzima sikhiphile imali. Uzosikhipa lesa.
Uzosikhipa lesa.
Uzosikhipa yena.
Uzosikhipa lesa sport. Ara wathi somphinda ngalombhoko. Right, ikhethi laphuma.
Hayi khiphe. Batala sporo abuthi, batala sporo, kuphunsa sporo. Kasikhalatela na lwena umhulu ene ke mnyane imagine ke tlo akabisana lwena jwanong.
Ayinga bithi. Akitsini.
Rona re na le dikoloi re na le bana gate ya rwela re file ngwana o 6000.
O tshabela gore koloi e ba tlo e utswa koloi.
Le rona ba tla e utswa.
Phela ngidlale manje umuzwa manje uyakhala umakho. Khuluma naye makho.
Ya ke tla lokisha moko. Ke tla ba phatsa ke tla ba.
So kenya makho lo. Indaba zakho izisnacks. Ola no, apha amathulusi.
Ngithanda tools.
Khona manje okay that usister manje una how many years? Akana gate.
Uyayazi ukuthi
Oh,
yawe
no, le
gate
gate ngilithathile ngalisa
uyazi.
kuphi ku.
Uyazi akana namahloni into edinayo.
Hayi, igate liyaphuma.
Batala sporo abuthi, batala sporo, kupunisa sporo. Uthetha ngona gate esinam sporo. Kuba sporo.
Sitara pembe so, una khipa le sport sase kuseni ngona ningila. Ngona ndale sport. Yangizwa ukuthi sase kuseni ilwa nale sport leso skill. Mawufela kanje, yathatha le win. Mawufela la ku sport. Yathatha le win.
Batla le yakhavala ngayo. Angitheni une safety thina sinayo.
Kahleka.
Thatha le batla le yavala ngayo for le sporo.
Awunike iskiya sale gate. Ngayingithi ele gate. Leskiya sakho. Ikiya kanjani? Sister, nayi ingidi yakhona. Ambonise lapho ukuthi ikiya kanjani. Mawivula.
He actually still has tools of his trade, and even a gate found in his possession at the time. Now, this detail matters significantly because it shows that this wasn't a case of someone who had no means or resources to complete the job at all. This was someone who had the capability, the tools, and quite possibly even unfinished work sitting right there, yet chose for over 10 years not to fulfill an agreement he had already accepted payment for. Given this discovery, the team takes both the tools and the gate found on site, essentially recovering value equivalent to what was promised over a decade ago. And honestly, family, considering how much time has passed, this feels less like an aggressive move and more like the very least form of accountability that could finally be.
Ambonise pe.
Hayi lasifundi ngoba ayisebenzi lengakhi ngesikhiya.
Angisho ivaya negate.
Oh, ikhombo.
Ya ikhombo ivaya negate. So bengithi mawucovile yabona ukuthi ukuthi yabona. Ngaya phela iskiya.
So go papa mpire mastura rating ka skalatelela na le wena moholo ene ke mnyane imagine to akabisana le wena jwanong go petse ntho tse right ka se latela ka mo ene spin enough ntse go latela ka mo no you are fed up
Wangayenza into era uzodila nami ngobudala ba. Ene mina manje ngizokubamba kwenye indawo ibencane indawo. Uyangithola. Ungizwa kahle. Alright sister. Ngizaba ukuthi manje esizele sesiyenze.
ngiyabonga
Asiphume ka
abanye
sona.
basiza
Asiphume ka sona sister. Kwako uyalithatha le gate la. Kayinga gate. Baba. Akithi.
Ano ka se ka gona le dikolo gona re na le dikolo re na le bana ke ita go wela re file ngwana o se
Akere o tshabela gore koloi e ba tlo e utswa koloi.
le gona ba tla e utswa le gona ba tla e utswa
Mina ke bona gore ba tlo e utswa koloi.
le gona ba tla e utswa
Mara ina mabile mo so.
le gona ba tla e utswa le gona ba tla wela ke ke ngile 6000 no le mnate a ina a iso 2 years ka ofela ntse re mathamo a re ben fe
Asitinde truck ke yabo. Awuthi ngimlando kokugcina yabo. Ngiyomngenelela kokugcina. Phela manje. Kena. Phela ngidlali manje, umuzwa manje uyakhala uMagogo. Khuluma naye Magogo.
Ja, kita lukis sama kau. Kita apa kita
So kanya Magogo no. Indabeni zakho izi-snacks. Ayibona manje dile. Ukuthi iflow. Sorry man Gogo bona. Lena vele ke tlama ke Spanish saka gore ke bete Spanish saka bona. A ke nna Spanish saka go etsa sho gore ke shapa Spanish saka. So ke ditjena ke mo Spanish saka ke se chapa vele bona. Mara ke tare. Wa bona. Mara mfano wa hao akiwe kausani ke bana da sporo se. Ataka ke do mmontsha something. Sister, asumai. Ngizoshiya nje lo mlayezo lo.
Ngibethe ntho uthephisisa nyo.
Oh mfowethu, ufuna lento mfowethu? Umgokho lento. Amaraphi lawo. Yinkinga lezi. Izophungula iholo lakho lento le. Hey, lo mano rathi uyibamba lento le. Ah, ngibona. Ibhezeli, into somkabo. Angisho. Mangithi mina umholo wabo ukhona. Mara kumele sikwana. Sister. Uzizwa kanjani?
Opa ex ngihappy because of like nini simlandelela lo muntu sina 2 years silole igate ethu aloku athi uzoyithengisa asinikeze imali ethu because of bekasenzele into esingayithandi and then like uloku udlala ngathi siyeza la ngapha sikhulume naye kahle angasiphenduli but ngamhlanje kwazile ukusibonisa ukuthi usaba amadoda kundlula abafazi uthatha advantage because of ukwazile ukusithoba kuwe avume nokuthi sikhiphe igate if bekufika thina bengeka avume.
Alright. Ngicela ukuthi i2 months mayiphela anganyakazi. Ungithinte futhi.
Ngokuthinta.
Ubeke kahle igate nomshini ubeke kahle.
Okay.
Alright. Uzongila emotweni.
Yabo.
Sha. South Africa akekho umuntu odlula umthetho. No one it's above the law. Inkantolo mayikhulumile you must listen. Wena ubuyaphi wena uyaphi. You must listen. Sibazama ukushaya isipani. Ngirame emlilweni. Namhlanje ngisasefisha emanzini. Arithoma.
Enforced after such an extraordinarily long wait. Let's talk criticism here plainly, because a decade of unfulfilled service is completely unacceptable under any circumstance. If personal challenges, financial hardship, or unforeseen circumstances prevented this man from completing the job, the bare minimum expectation would have been honest communication and a refund of the deposit paid, rather than complete silence stretching across more than 10 years of this woman's life. Choosing silence over accountability, especially for over a decade, isn't just poor business practice. It borders on a complete disregard for another person's trust and hard-earned money. The educational lesson here is powerful, and it's this. No matter how much time has passed, unresolved debts and unfulfilled agreements don't simply disappear or become invalid just because years have gone by. If you're still owed money or still awaiting a service you paid for, even from years ago, it's never too late to seek resolution and accountability, because justice delayed doesn't have to mean justice denied. This story is honestly a powerful reminder that patience has its limits, and even after 10 long years, real accountability finally caught up. That's it for today's commentary, family. Drop your thoughts below on what you think should happen to service providers who disappear for years without delivering, and I'll see you in the next Infinity Breakdown. Speaker 2?